Good morning, trading world. It is April 24th, 2024, and this is my pre-market outlook and technical analysis for day trading the markets. I'm going to be really brief and to the point this morning. Got a lot of running around to do. But when it comes to today, I am expecting a reversal to begin today. I don't know how deep it turns today, but I expect that sideways action to kind of start today and into tomorrow for a fall off that will probably happen or take us into overnight Thursday into pre-market Friday. Now, the target area for this reversal is pretty much where we are now, the 5113 area up to 5176. I'm watching the daily chart for those reversal signs. Today's stocks that will push the market, again, keep your eye on Tesla. I'm also going to throw Meta and Intel into that category today as well, because they're going to have some influence over the entire market. When it comes to Tesla, as you can see with Tesla did start that bounce that I was looking for. I kind of figured on earnings it had been slaughtered pretty much enough that it was going to, if it didn't go lower before earnings, you were looking at pretty much pop and bounce. However, I'm looking at that bounce to kind of pause around that 171 area. It may even get up to the 176, but where it is now to maybe that 171 area. And when Tesla takes that pause, look for it to have a significant impression on the rest of the market, because as Tesla pause, especially if Nvidia continues to kind of push a little lower, that could definitely wreak havoc on the market and drop us really quickly, really fast over these next 2 days back to possible lows that we saw at the beginning of the week. So keep an eye on that. All right, here we are with the support and resistance zones for the ES. I'm going to run through that real quick. On the resistance side, we have the Jack resistance at 5131. Queen resistance zone 5142, King resistance zone 5160, all the way up to, I have 5173, but keep in mind that 5174 to 5176 area is a target that I have. On the support side, we have 5095 as the Jack support zone, 5084 as the Queen support zone, and 5066 all the way down to 5053 as the King support zone. Once we get down into this area, do not trust it because this is a chop area that is likely to suck a lot of people in. Again, since I'm looking for the reversal, once we get up here, primary target 5173, that's where I'd like to take a short position. And everything in here, I'd much rather just leave alone. So that's what I'm looking at today, and that short should carry us into pretty much Friday morning. The critical range, or the pivotal range, again, is this 5095 to this 5131 area. Spending more time below that 5113 suggests a bearish trend continuation. We sink back down. and above the 5113 hits at a higher push up into the previous range. Now, if we do sink down here into this chop area, that potential reversal area, that battleground is between 50.53 and 50.19. 50.37 is the line of demarcation. Spending more time above that 50.37 implies a higher push later in the week. All right, time for the reaction entry areas. On the top side, I have 51.23, 51.28, 51.44. That's for today, but again, even though I don't have it up here, that 51.74, 51.76 is going to be really crucial. Not sure if we make it there today, but that is definitely on my list tomorrow, just depending on how much chop back and forth we go through today. On the lower side, we have 50.94, 50.86, and 50.74. Now, key here on the lower side, again, like I said, this is a chop zone. I don't trust it enough to really want to take hold of positions here. These are things that I'm going to be trading on the futures side, and it's going to be quick in and out. And definitely, if I decide to take any longs in the future, it's going to be really quick. I'm going to be really quick to move that stop up and gather that 2 points or whatever it may be. But I'm not holding long because, again, this area is going to be really choppy. And I can't tell you whether it's going to hold, but that's why I have these as reaction areas. Reaction areas give you that time or enough of a reaction to see at least 2 points. And that 2 points should be enough to either make up your mind and take the 2 points, see how things are moving. If it continues up, fine. If it doesn't, take the 2 points and go. So that's how I'm looking at the market today. Again, I am still very deep on the mindset that we have kind of a Black Monday event setting up with the end of the month coming on that Tuesday or Wednesday. So even if we fall here Thursday overnight, I'll look for a big pop back during Friday's session, which is going to be another good short coming into the end of the month. So that's how I see things. As always, your most important job as a trader is to protect the capital that you already have. You do this by knowing and understanding the risks you face in each position and in current market conditions. We manage that risk in accordance with our account size. I hope this helps. Wishing you a positive trading day. Let's go out and make it a great one.